Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Port St. John local and long distance movers near me. For your relocation needs across Port St. John, you need the services of Port St. John, Florida movers. As you search for local movers for your moving needs, inquire about hidden charges so you won't regret working with them. Also, request moving quotes from multiple options so you can find something cheaper but one that covers all your need. Port St. John local TM movers are highly rated and should be considered. A long distance move from Port St. John doesn't necessarily mean you can't find another place like it. Across the country, there are cities with excellent public schools, well rated places to eat and stay, and lots of activities to do in your leisure time. When you make long distance moves, you can find great long distance movers around. Just as you can trust local movers when it comes to relocating within cities or states, long distance movers, based on the kind of knowledge and expertise they have, are better when you need to make those long distance moves across cities or states. You can work with Port St. John Long Distance 3 movers, which are highly rated and reliable. A reliable long distance moving company not only has the credentials and expertise to carry out long distance moves, but also insurance to help control loss and damages that can occur. It's advisable to always ask questions about terms and conditions before working with one to avoid regrets. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Port St. John moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.